Hello and welcome to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute. My name is Susan Tolson.
And I'm Sheri Shannon. We are both financial coaches at the University of Illinois Community Credit Union.
Today we are talking about how you can make credit cards work for you. Sheri, we both know that credit cards can get us into trouble. And if we don't use them wisely, that's the fast track to getting into trouble. What are some things we can share with our listeners today to help them get the most out of their credit card?
Well, Susan, we both know in today's environment, credit cards are much safer to carry and use than cash. But beyond peace of mind, they can be a tool that helps us manage our money, build our credit, and earn cash back or rewards.
How can my credit card do all those things for me?
Well, that's a really great question because it doesn't make sense, does it? It can track your spending by checking your online account regularly to make sure you are staying within your spending plan. You can ensure that you're not overspending. Build credit by making timely payments and keeping your credit usage under that 30% or better yet, 10%. This makes up 65% of your credit score.
Wow.
And earn cash back and rewards.
It's important to note that just because you are using a credit card doesn't mean you don't have to stay within your spending plan and pay off your credit card each month. A reward or cashback card doesn't help you if you carry a balance from month to month.
Exactly. So find a credit card that meets your needs and has no or low annual fees. Stay within your spending plan so you can pay it off each month.
If you have any additional questions, check out the Financial Wellness Center at uofcreditunion.org. And remember, if you're listening, you can bank with us. I'm Susan Tolson.
And I'm Sheri Shannon. Thanks for tuning in to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute on WPCD.